Now we loosen the bolts on the right side. Not too much, just a little bit to allow movement. So if you see, now we can adjust chain tension. Push the chain just a little bit until you see that it's the place where you need the slack, and then you tighten the lower screw. Now we repeat the procedure on the other side. Same procedure, we check chain slack, it's okay. So we can just tighten the lower screw. Okay. Chain tension is still okay. Then we tighten the upper screw. And we finish on the other side. Last screw, then we finish. We're all set with the chain tension. And we can just try. See, it works perfectly. We're done. Thank you.